What's up, traders and future investors? I'm TK Profit. I'm a professional trader. I've been trading for about 4 years now. And about a year ago, everything clicked for me, and I was able to find consistency with my chart work and also with finding trades in the market. And in this video, I want to share with you my overlook on gold, XAU USD, from a macro standpoint using technical analysis. So, the first thing I always look at is the current trend that the market is in. And in this case, we're in the uptrend. Right here, we had the previous highs, and a couple weeks back, they were broken, and we had a retest of this level. After I noticed the consolidation in this level, I sent a buy signal out on my TradingView, where I send some of my trades. But most of my trades I send in the Discord group, where I was fortunate enough to partner with one of my mentors to create an opportunity and also a vehicle for people who don't know how to trade to take advantage of signals given out by us. And we give the exact entries, exit points, take profit areas, your risk reward on every trade for Forex, crypto. We also do options as well. And we send the charts for TradingView so you guys can see it if you are an advanced or intermediate level trader and you would like to see our entries, our exit points to get a better idea of what we are doing. We send those as well. But this trade was sent out on my Telegram. I'm sorry, this trade was sent out on my TradingView. And as you can see, it did exactly what I said it would do. All TPs on this trade were hit. I think this one shows the different TPs. Oh, it only has one. But all of the TPs were hit in this trade. And at this point, we are at another level where we could get a potential pullback. So from here, I'll go to the chart that I use for my analysis originally. And as you can see, last week we entered in the sale. At this point, price came down and hit our TP1, but right now it's real close to the area where we would close the rest of our positions. At this point, there's a big chance that if price does not respect this level here, we could get a move to the upside to break the trend line after getting a retest of the trend line. If the zone is not held, like I said, we'll take advantage of the buy after a break and retest and maybe ride gold past the 786 level to retest this level, or maybe even a 100% retracement before looking for another move. Now, like I said, this trade is still active. Our stop loss has not yet been hit, and our TP1 was already hit, so we're already in profit in this trade. And at this point, it's at our second entry. So we'll see how price reacts in this particular area. I love live charts. At this point, let's see. We haven't even had an hour, a close on the hour yet. It hit our second entry, and we have a wick. So there's a good chance that we may be okay, and this trade will still be valid, and we'll get a pullback to maybe at least test our TP2 area. That's a mistake. But like I said, we will see. As far as a macro standpoint, I am still bullish on gold, but I am trying to see if we can take advantage of a retracement or pullback. Again, TP1 was hit. The way price is reacting now, there's a good chance that we may still be bearish, but that's just a chance. So of course we always go with the facts, and we always make sure that our risk reward is set up to the point to where even if you lose, you're still in a position where you could be in a position to always have a winning balance. And what I mean by that is every trade that I send is at the minimum 1 to 3 risk reward. But majority of them, let me just show you a few. Majority of them have risk rewards like, well, that one's 1 to 3, this one's 1 to 6, this one is 1 to 24, 1 to 8. And that's just an example of risk reward. And the power of minimizing your risk to maximize your return is, just in case you ever lose a trade, which of course you will, because it's a part of trading, you will lose trades. But if you minimize your risk to 3% like we do, and only trade to where we can find a setup that is 1 to 3, of course, if you can do the basic math, we're always up. And so far, we've been at a winning percentage that is over 50%, which is a blessing. So again, thank you guys for your time. That is what we're looking at on gold as of the moment. And I will come back at the end of the week with an update to let you know if price stays within our trend lines or if we get a breakout to the upside. All right. Thank you guys for your time. Happy trading.